English Estonian travel questions, as there.
Kas on?
And, where is?
Kus on?
Welcome aboard. Hey you, welcome. Let's have a laugh, learn fast, and speak useful Estonian today. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language wing person. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master travel lifesavers like
Kas on? Kus on? Mis on? Kas ma tohin? Mul on vaja. Ma sooviksin. Kui palju maksab? Kas sa?
and.
Kas te saate?
Buckle up, your Estonian upgrade starts now. Find it fast. Lost or just curious? Let's make you a location asking ninja. Say the base phrase with me. Where is?
Kus on?
Example. Where is the station?
Kus on jaam?
Ask about availability, as there.
Kas on?
Example. Is there Wi-Fi here?
Kas siin on wifi?
Bonus curiosity spark. What is?
Mis on?
For a specific thing. What is this?
Mis see on?
Closing parenthesis. Pro tip. Smile, gesture, then ask. Your face says, please help, your words say.
Kus on?
Or.
Kas on?
Permission, please. Be extra polite and doors swing open, sometimes literally. Base phrase. May I?
Kas ma tohin?
Example. May I come in?
Kas ma tohin sisse tulla?
Example. May I borrow your pen?
Kas ma tohin laenata su pastakat?
If someone nods, you glide in like a ninja with manners. If they frown, you smile again, level up your charm. Needs versus polite wants. Know the difference between need and a classy request. You'll sound smooth and get stuff done. Base need. I need.
Mul on vaja.
Example. I need a taxi right now.
Mul on vaja taksot praegu.
Polite wish. I would like.
Ma sooviksin.
Example. I would like a tea, please.
Ma sooviksin teed, palun.
Dialogue. You. I need help.
Mul on vaja abi.
Clerk. Of course. You. Then, I would like a map.
Ma sooviksin kaarti, palun.
Comedy tip. Shouting, I want, is for toddlers, whispering.
Ma sooviksin.
Is for legends. Money talk, without crying. Your wallet insists, ask before you buy. Price starter. How much does, cost?
Kui palju maksab?
Point and ask. How much is this?
Kui palju see maksab?
At the market. How much does the scarf cost?
Kui palju maksab sall?
If it's too pricey, add a face like you just smelled a mysterious cheese, then ask about a discount later. Can you give me a hand? Ask for help like a pro, informal with friends, formal with strangers. Informal. Can you?
Kas sa?
Example. Friend, can you help?
Kas sa? Aitama.
Example. Friend, can you wait?
Kas sa? Ootama.
Formal. Can you?
Kas te saate?
Example. To staff, can you show me the way?
Kas te saate? Näidata.
Multied? Mini dialogue, formal, you.
Vabandust, kas te saate? Avada.
Okna, staff.
Muidugi.
Speed drills and a cheeky quiz. You answer out loud. I'll pause. No pressure, only glory. Drill 1. Ask, is there a bank nearby? Answer.
Kas on pank lähedal?
Drill 2. Ask, where is the bathroom? Answer.
Kus on tualett?
Drill 3. Ask, what is base form? Answer.
Mis on?
Drill 4. Politely order, I would like a coffee, please. Answer.
Ma sooviksin kohvi, palun.
Drill 5. Say you need tickets. I need to buy tickets. Answer.
Mul on vaja osta piletid.
Drill 6. Ask the price. How much does this cost? Answer.
Kui palju see maksab?
Drill 7. Informal help. Can you come? Answer.
Kas sa? Tulema.
Drill 8. Formal help. Can you tell me the time? Answer.
Kas te saate? Öelda.
Mul kella ega? Victory fact. If you just nailed 5 or more, your Estonian XP leveled up. High five the air. Culture tip plus your challenge. Sound local, stay kind, and have fun. Estonians appreciate calm, clear requests. Culture tip. Use formal te with strangers.
Kas te saate?
Save informal.
Kas sa?
For friends, add a smile and a please.
Palun.
Your 30-second challenge. Say these back to back, no script. 1.
Kus on?
The museum. 2.
Kas on?
Wi-Fi. 3.
Mis on?
4.
Kas ma tohin?
Sistola. 5.
Mul on vaja.
Taxot. 6.
Ma sooviksin.
Teed, Palin. 7.
Kui palju maksab?
Sol. 8.
Kas sa?
Itama. 9.
Kas te saate?
Nidata Teed. Outro. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these phrases today and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. You've got this. Nam Varsti.